Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming at you again with another intro made on my computer. I really need to stop doing this. But okay, so yesterday's video was actually really long, so I decided to split it up into two parts. So you guys are going to be watching part 2 right now. If you guys want to see part 1, Amanda and I just went to Starbucks and talked about all of our fun plans this summer. I got a Father's Day present for my dad, and I think it was a pretty fun vlog. So if you guys want to watch it, I will have it linked down below, and I hope you guys like part 2.
Alright guys, I don't think I really vlogged since I got ready, which was probably a few hours ago. I just put on a little bit of makeup and put on some earrings because I feel like earrings like really change up an outfit. This is like my spot for vlogging. As you can see, I haven't really done anything in my room. Earrings and lip gloss and straight hair make me feel really sassy. I'm not sure what it is. Okay, I'm gonna put away Amanda's bed. My mom and I were laughing because we just call it Amanda's bed now because she's here all the time. We don't even call it like my trundle. It's like it's Amanda's bed. Alright, I'm gonna put away her bed and clean up my room, and I will start packing. So I think I'm gonna do like a time lapse of that. I don't know. Let's see how quickly I can get this done. It's currently 3:18. All right, let's go. I'm done cleaning up my room. Looks much better than it did probably like 10 minutes ago. And now I should probably start packing. We're only gonna be there for like 2 days really, but I mean obviously I still need to bring stuff, so I'm gonna start packing. Shouldn't take that long because I don't really have much that I need to bring. I should probably check what the weather's gonna be like. Oh, it's not even gonna be that bad. Okay, tomorrow it's gonna be 83. Like that's not even near as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Okay, well that's good because my dad really likes golfing. I think I already said that he wants to go golfing tomorrow morning. Oh my gosh, tomorrow morning, yeah. And I know it's gonna be hot, but it's not gonna be as hot as I thought it was. Where I live, it literally gets like over 100 degrees every day in the summer, so that's fun. Love that. I don't know what to wear. I don't know what to wear when we go golfing. Okay, I think I'm gonna wear this plain pink t-shirt. Don't know why, I just like it. From Brandy Melville, just in case you were wondering. Do you guys want me to do one of those trying on everything in my closet videos? Because I've seen a few comments that have been asking like where certain things I'm wearing are from. Oh, my mom texted me. And I was just wondering if you guys would want to see like my entire closet, just so like you guys know where everything's from, I guess. I don't know, if you guys want that video, let me know because I would have time to do it since it's in the summer. All right, so I'm gonna wear this shirt when we go golfing. Should I change the angle? Where should I put the camera? I'm gonna put it, okay, I have an idea. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys right here so you can see my closet too. I don't know, I kind of want you guys to be able to see my bag. Maybe I'll just sit really far back. All right, here's my bag. I think I'm gonna bring these shorts I just got from Forever 21, but I don't know if I want to wear them golfing or if I want to wear them for PJs. Probably PJs because I realized they don't fit me that well. They're really big on me. They're like weirdly long and they kind of make me look like a rectangle. I mean, that's already what I look like, but like they just like, I don't know, they're not flattering. I kind of want to bring these. They're kind of cute. Okay, I'm gonna bring these. I didn't even show them. These are also from Forever 21. They also don't fit very well. I'm gonna pack these. I love these shorts. They're from Hollister. I wear them literally all the time. And I'm gonna pack my Pink Floyd shirt. I love this shirt so much. It's so comfy and it's so soft. I want to wear something comfy for the car. Ooh, I should wear these. I should just wear these right now. One sec. Oh my god, they're so big. They're literally so big. Oh, they have pockets. Okay, I love that they have pockets though. Let me see if rolling them up one helps. I don't know. Like, is that cute? I just can't tell if it's like cute or not. Maybe with a different shirt they would be cute. Okay, let me try them. Let me try them with this shirt. Oh my god, I'm just wearing everything I'm packing. Okay, like I really can't tell if this is cute or not. I don't know. It's really comfy though. Oh, should I just wear it? So comfy. Oh, it's kind of ugly though. I have an idea. Literally just wearing all the shirts I'm packing right now. Okay, I think this one's gonna be it. I haven't tried it on yet, but I think this is gonna be the winner. Yep, no, I still can't tell if this is cute. I don't know. You guys can barely see it. Okay, is this cute? Like, I don't know. These shorts are just like throwing everything off for me. I don't know. I don't know. Is it ugly? Is it cute? I have no idea. I genuinely like can't tell at all. I feel like I can usually tell. I'm usually like a good judge of like what's cute and what's not. I really thought this was gonna be cute if I put it with this shirt and tied it because it's just like a baggy shirt. You can tell it's just like a comfy outfit. If it's not cute, please let me know so I don't look stupid and wear it again. I'm just gonna wear it just because it's comfy. You know what? I don't care. If you don't like it, then unsubscribe. Just kidding, please don't. Do not unsubscribe, please. Thank you. Okay, moving on. Oh, I need to leave everything out for a thumbnail because for my thumbnail, I'm gonna be like, okay, yeah, that was a really good explanation. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I can still pack this. Oh no, they're like itchy. Would this be cute to wear on Father's Day? I don't know. I love this shirt. Okay, I literally love this. This shirt with a white skirt. Oh my goodness, that would be so cute. Wait, that would be so cute. Except I think we're going to the horse race. Okay, you literally can't see my face. I'm the dumbest person ever. Is it focused? All right, hold on. I'm back. All right. We took a short intermission, but we're back. Got some snacks. Back to what I was saying. Okay, it's crooked. Are you kidding me? Is that good? I don't know. Literally the worst YouTuber ever, so does it even matter? No. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. All right, so what I was saying before, this shirt would look really, really cute with a white skirt, but I feel like it would get dirty. So I don't know if I want to wear a white skirt. Maybe I'll just wear a denim skirt. Maybe I'll just do that. Like, as in, like, blue denim, obviously. You guys probably got that, and I didn't need to explain it, but I did. So I think I'm gonna bring this shirt just for funsies. I don't know. For some reason, I'm, like, obsessed with this shirt just because, like, I don't know. I just think it's kind of, like, funky, kind of cool. I like the stripes. I like the colors. I like the fit. I don't know. It's just, like, a nice t-shirt, but it's also, like, fitted, so it's, like, flattering while still being, like, comfortable. Like, I don't have to try. I don't know. Hopefully, you guys understand what I'm saying. So I'm gonna overpack like I always do. I'm gonna bring these shorts from PacSun because these ones are like more like fitted. They're not like flared and like these ones where they're like you know what I'm saying? These ones are like tighter, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna bring those just so I have like a variety, I guess. I think I want to bring these. They're Levi's. They're like literally the almost exact same thing as these, but whatever. I'm gonna bring these because they're high-waisted. I'm literally gonna be there one full day and I've already packed 5 bottoms. I didn't even realize I did that. Oh, you know what? I packed 7 bottoms, including the other 2 pairs of shorts that I brought. Okay, yep, let's put some of these back. Okay, I'm gonna put these back because they're not the most comfortable. And like those are the only ones that I really want to put back. I like having a variety. Like these are very different from like these, which are also very different from these. They're like mom shorts and then like a denim skirt. Obviously that's different. At this point, I'm really just trying to figure out excuses to bring more clothes. Like I should probably stop. I need more shirts though. I really like this shirt. I had been looking for it for so long and I finally found it, and so I bought it. That was a really good story, but I don't know what it is about that shirt. I just really like it. I don't know why. I love this shirt. All right, cool. I need to take a thumbnail, but I want to take it like sitting on my bed so you can see my wall, but also like I don't want to set up my tripod right now. All right, cool. Okay, let me actually set you guys up. All right, I think that's a good setup for the thumbnail, I guess. I don't know. Okay, should I hold up the clothes like this, or should I like hold up the bag once everything is packed? Now the bag is just like black. I feel like that's boring. I don't know. You guys will have already seen the thumbnail by now. I'm liking the color scheme going on. All right, I'm gonna title this vlog Packing With Me. I don't know why I said it like that. Okay, I need to just literally shut up and pack. Like I'm in such a weird mood right now. I don't know if you guys can tell because I'm probably gonna be editing most of this out because I'm just being too weird to like put it on the internet for thousands of people to be watching it. You know what? I'm gonna put everything in my bag and stop talking. I'll see you guys when I'm all done packing, when I'm done packing like my makeup, my everything else that I need to bring. That's all the boring stuff, so like I'm not gonna show myself packing that, but I will see you guys when I'm done packing. All right guys, so I'm just about all finished packing right now. I am just getting together all of my like chargers and like cords and stuff. Like I need to pack my laptop so I can edit. I need to remember to pack lip gloss. This stuff is my favorite stuff ever. I think I'm also gonna bring this little coin purse. Actually, I'll just leave my actual car key here, so I'll take this off for now, but I do want to bring this because this has like my life in it. But other than that, I think I'm all ready. Also, a lot of you guys have been asking about my wall and how I did it. That's like all of the comments on my past 2 videos. So I will be doing a video about that very soon. I'll talk about it in my next vlog. And I don't think I'm gonna vlog this weekend just because I'm gonna be with my family. And yeah, I think that's about it. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video and I'll see you guys on Wednesday with another one. Bye guys.